Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to see background apps running on Android. So, if your Android phone battery drains really fast, and you want to see which application are actually running the background section of your Android phone, then this is what you need to do. So if at the end of this, you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to see background apps running on Android, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings application. So search for settings and then open the settings. On your Android phone settings, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on battery. Now, under battery, scroll down and then locate battery usage and then click on view details. Scroll down battery usage, then you should see the application that are currently running on your Android phone background. You can switch between dates to see different application in the background section of your Android phone. So that is basically how you can see background running app on your Android. If you found this open informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.